May profits be upon you. Hey, I hope your trading week is going well. I hope it's going a little bit better than mine went last night. Oh my gosh, it was disastrous. Fat fingers and everything. It was just messed up. Anyway, we're looking at NZDUSD. I put out a video on my YouTube channel talking about this, and it went pretty much. I covered all most of the bases. All right, what you see here is this is where I left off on the video. This price hadn't developed all of this, and I said, if price gets up here, I'm looking for this same thing I look for every time: a push up, a pull back, a higher high, a break of that low, and a return to impulse somewhere in about here, somewhere in this leg of structure, and then we take a high probability trade to the downside. All right, I look for that everywhere. I look for the reverse of that in bullish situations, right? Here is where it happened. And price did drop 60 pips. However, we didn't get the break. We didn't get that break of that low. It was supposed to break past here. I needed it to break past here. Then I could take a high probability trade to the downside. Didn't happen. So without confirmation, there is no trade, right? Price continued higher. Boom. All right. And what did I say? This is my second POI. And I said, I'm looking for the same situation. I'm looking for bearish price action once it gets up here, because this is a very nice zone of supply, right? And I like this zone because, the way price dropped from here. And I do believe that this whole bearish lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high situation, I believe that the next structural point is a lower high. The next expectational structure point after breaking this low is a lower high to be made. Now, you could have called this the lower high, and it went a little lower, right? No doubt. All right, but this is the low is made, and the swing low and the swing high I have here. I don't have this as the swing high. All right. Now, if price breaks that swing high, I know I was right. All right. I'm looking at this as one leg of structure. This is a realistic pullback, and that's why I have this zone highlighted. I do believe there is a chance. I do believe that there is a chance that price will take this this swing point here, because it did break a high here. It did break a high, and then crash below it. So I do like it as a valid order block, right? As a valid zone of supply. But I'm looking for this unmitigated zone to turn price down. All right. And if I see bearish price action, I would like to take a short here. And I believe that it will be high probability. The only concern is getting past this area of structure here on this side. I don't want this come back for a retest and then we go up higher. No, that's not what I want to see. All right. I'd like to see supply. I like to see demand, excuse me. I like to see demand like this fail before I take shorts, so I can catch it coming back on the flip side, so I can take it down. All right, for a higher probability trade. All right, in this particular sequence, with these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, I'm looking for that lower high in this area. All right, if this is the top of my trading range, this is the bottom of my trading range, I'm looking for price around the 50% area, higher than that 50% area. I'm looking for that price to be to go into premium prices, and we are crossing that 50% area right here. And if it comes up and gives me the bearish price action in this way, it would be appropriate. It would fit, and this would validate this as a lower high for me. All right, and I would like to take this trade. I would like to take the trade, and I'm hoping that you think it makes sense. If you do, smash that like button, will you please? All right, if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you like and subscribe. Gotta do both, man, if you want to catch the updates. Now, I'd like you to discuss this trade, about its chances. Do you give it a 50% chance or a 90% chance of success? You think this setup will bring us here? We're at the POI, folks. We're here. All right, price is here, man. I mean, we all we need is the bearish price action, and the way I'm going to catch it is I'm looking for a change of character on the 15-minute. As soon as I see that change of character on the 15-minute, and it'll look just like exactly the way I've been showing you. It'll look something like this. All right, that's a change of character. As soon as it breaks that low, that pullback low, after making a high, as soon as it breaks that pullback low, price is indicating that it is changing character from bullish to bearish momentum. All right, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. Okay, and it's giving a little pennant, a bullish pennant right now. You know, I'm not really looking for a bullish pennant. You know, I'm looking for a high. I'm looking for a push higher. All right, I'm looking for a high to be made. Oops, a high to be made, and then a break of these lows, and then a pullback into this leg of structure, so I can take a higher probability trade. All right, I'm going pro trend, so that's with the trend, and it gives me a higher chance of success. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.